looking down it. He couldn't see nothing, but he's just a 6-pointer, so he gets a pass. I was watching him. He decided to bed down right here by me, probably about 50 yards. Seen 3 bucks and a doe. There's an Averack, this 6-pointer, and then that little deer, he's a little baby spike. I mean, they just, you can barely see them. I think I'm definitely on a good crossing. It's just a matter of getting the right one to cross here. I'm going to sit as long as I can. My oldest son Bryson and my dad are hunting a different farm here down the road, so I'll probably sit till they get tired. I would sit all day, but we only drove one vehicle, so if they get tired of sitting, I'll have to go get them. But that's alright. I texted Bryson a little bit ago. He said they ain't seen nothing yet. But there's been a lot of gunshots, so I think it's just a matter of time before the right one comes through here. That's what I'm going to keep telling myself anyways. There's the back leg bedded down. Stand. It's still November 16th. It's in the evening. I was gonna hunt all day, but I'm the ride for my dad and Bryson, he was ready to go home. He texted me at 8, but I made him sit till about 11. So we went to the house for a little bit and got us some food. Then we come back out. It's 2 o'clock now. People are still shooting, so that's rifle season for you. But I'm back in the same stand. I seen, I believe, 4 deer this morning. I seen 1 doe and 3 little bucks, 1 spike, Averack, 4 corn, and then I think he's either a 5 or 6 pointer that bedded down here next to me this morning. So. But back in the stand, still got fairly high hopes of seeing a different buck, or a good buck come through here. So we'll see. But it's a little breezy. I think the wind's gonna blow all the way up till dark. So maybe they'll kind of want to get in all this thick stuff right here and bed down. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for, is with some of the pressure and the high winds, maybe they'll get out here in some of this thick stuff. I got an open spot right around this stand, and that's why I had it set up for bow hunting, but all to the front and both sides of me, it's the left side's real thick cedars. Up front there's a little bit of cedars and a little bit of thicket, and then to my right it gets super thick back over that way. So last night when I bow hunted, I was sitting here and there was a buck and a doe. It was just so dark I couldn't see him with the camera. I mean, I couldn't even see him with my naked eye, but he run a doe around my tree right here, just grunting and all kinds of stuff. So hopefully he's evaded the Orange Army so far, but we'll see. I think tomorrow we might have a different plan, may go on a different farm. I don't know, just kind of have to see what we see tonight, see what people's kind of wanting to do. So, but anyways, we're hunting, and I got the old cannon with me, 338, so you know I can see every bit of about 80 yards, so I should have plenty of gun for that. But anyways, I'm gonna get kicked back here and see what we see. buck run that doe through. They jumped the fence, come through. There was a deer that just walked through that little gap. I didn't even have time to get my camera on. But I think it's either a big doe or maybe a little buck. I don't know. I didn't see no obvious horns on it, so. But it was kind of coming down this ridge to my left. It might hook around and come up through these cedars. I don't know, we'll see. It's like 3 o'clock. It's 3:12 now. So that's a good sign. Deer's already up on their feet early. She's just kind of easing her way down through there. So I don't think nobody bumped her or anything. Sense in it. Dad texted me here a little bit ago. Said that he shot one. So it's 4:30 now. We got about another hour before dark. I didn't even see her coming. I just kind of was filming these squirrels over here. I just happened to turn my head. She was standing right there. It's so windy you can't hardly hear them coming. But she's a big enough doe that every time she comes in here, she'll stop and look at this tree now. Still early, we'll see what happens. believe she took it as well as she did. I'm gonna watch this footage back, make sure I didn't hit her low or something. But I had a couple sticks that I was shooting through, but shouldn't have been no big deal. But I'm pretty sure she's just laying up here in front of me about, I don't know, 80 yards. She ran into that thick stuff right here, and then I couldn't see her. Filling tags. Well, I watched it back. I didn't hit her low, but she took a step right as I was squeezing it off. I hit her just a hair back. It's, I don't know, mid-rib cage, but she was quartering to me a little bit, so. But, like I said, I'm pretty sure she's laying up here about 80 yards. But she's for sure dead deer. But we'll keep hunting, see if maybe we can get lucky and punch both tags. I think I still got pretty good light. It's 5 o'clock now. It'll be dark at like 5:30, so I think I'm gonna get all my crap packed up. See if I can't find this deer. Like I said, I think she's about 80 yards up here, so. But I'm gonna get packed up and I'll flip you guys back on when I get to the bottom of the tree. I don't have a tripod or anything, but I walked up this hill and she was laying right where I thought she was, and honestly, I thought it was back, but it ain't. I mean, it's right where I thought it was, so. But she's not to be honest, she's not very healthy looking. She's kind of bony, but I'd say she's just run down from the rut. Actually, over there, she's got a big ol' abscess jaw. I don't know if you could see that. Yep. She got a big abscess in her jaw. I'd say she's not been eaten like she should. But anyways, I'm on the board with a rifle. I know this is not a great filming job, but like I said, I don't have a tripod or anything, so. But as always, guys, we just want to say thanks for watching us here at Ozark Traditions TV. It's about as real as it gets. Just a guy in a video camera, so we just want to say thanks, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. I gotta get this one drug out to the field, go get the pickup, and then I gotta go get Dad's deer too, so a lot to get done, so might as well get to it.
From all of us at Ozark Traditions TV, we thank you for watching. And remember, if you see us out in God's country, stop us. We'd like to meet you.